Welcome back, guys. Today's video is how to fix a muffler or a exhaust without a welding machine. Something like this. On the other side as well, this is the flex pipe over here. Okay, let's make some noise. As what I said, this over here is supposed to be a flange right here and a flange over here, and in the middle supposed to be a gasket, which that right now the flange is totally going, and same thing on the other side. That's a piece of it. And over here on the other side, this is the flex pipe, and that's the reason I start working on it. But and then I realized the other side is bad too. So this side supposed to be look like this in there. So that's what we're going to do today. So first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean this stuff over here, like knock all this piece of metal off and then even it up, and then we slide this in there like that. Same thing over here. So I'm going to knock all this out and then even everything up, and then I'm going to put a double side female over here, and then I'm going to put a clamp and then clamp over here. Before that, don't forget to remove this oxygen sensor, that way don't damage it like I did my last time. Alright, let's get down. And on this side, I'm going to use the Renault pipe cutter from AutoZone. Hope it works on old pipe, because on new one it works very well. So I decided not to use the skill, so okay, let's see how this one works on old pipe. Kind of hard. Oops. Look, guys, it was perfect. I kind of doubt it wouldn't work. It's hard to do it by yourself, but if you have somebody to hold it for you, or a visor, it'd be much easier. Alright, guys, it's perfect. Look at it. Isn't that good? And on the other side, this is how it look like. Okay, let's clean this baby up. After cleaning everything up, just like that. Not perfect, but it's clean. And underneath the car too, right there. Hope you can see it. Now it didn't come out the way I was planning for it. So what I got here, this is the adapter going to the main exhaust underneath the car, and then it's going like that, and then the flex pipe over here. Now you can use a 2-inch clamp. Same thing over here, and over here on the adapter, since it's the 1/8, I mean the 2/8, so I'm going to use the 2/8 as well. Or you can just weld it right here and then over here, and in the bottom, since we can't get in there with the welder, you can just use the clamp over there. And over here on the muffler side, you can cut this one off and use a double-sided female. That way we go like that and like that. Now you can put your clamp over here and on this side as well. But in my case, I decided to use the female and male over here. That way it will go like this and like this, just like that. And then you can put your clamp over here and then right here. But again, in my case, I'm too cheap to pay another $5 clamp, so I may just weld it over here and then use a clamp over here. Don't forget to use this exhaust system solid. inside the female or outside the male, just in case in a hole or gap over here, that way the air will not leak out. Now let's go ahead and put this baby back on the car and line it up very well. Okay guys, this is the next day. It took me all day yesterday to do this. So this is how it ended up yesterday, and I couldn't film it yesterday because it got dark on me, so now it's a daytime again. So as you can see, from here all the way out there to the end, you can see my clamp over there, and then another one looking good. Another view from the other side. Over there, there's the muffler over there. That's how it looked like at the muffler side. And over here, the muffler hanger, it fell off, so I had to weld another one in there. As you can see, my welding is not perfect, nothing near. Since I put the hanger on the different side, so now my rubber hanger did not reach up there, so I had to use two of this rubber hanger all the way from here and up to the metal side over there. Hope you can see it over here. So now it's looking good. It's not perfect, and I'm not a professional, so that's how you do it if you dare to do it, because this kind of job, it's not easy to do it. It took me all day to do it. The most hardest part is to put it back on underneath the car. It's not easy to adjust it. So if you dare to do it, I mean, go ahead, knock yourself out. Sensor connection is right here below here on the 97 Toyota. You can move this seat over here, or you can just move this mirror cancel over here so that you can reach down here. Either way, you have to move one of them to get down there, either the seat or this over here. If you're moving this one over here, just there is two bolts down there, and then pop this one up, and there is a Phillips screw here on the outside, and then you should be able to pull this one out that way. Alright, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Until next video.